Okay, guys, so here I'm in Cricut Design Space Home. I'm going to go down to my project labeled sticker sheet and we're going to customize. You're starting from scratch, you would actually be hitting the new project and you can save it to whatever you like. Okay, here I have my sticker that I'm going to be turning into a full page print. Usually I try to keep my stickers size anywhere between 2.5 to 3 inches. So the way it's not too big, but it's still a pretty nice size sticker. So we're gonna go here to shapes. We're gonna select a square. We're gonna unlock the square and set the width to 6.75 and the height to 9.25. And as you can see, the square is covering up our sticker. So we're going to select that square, right click and hit send to back. Okay, so now our sticker is on top of the square. So next we are going to copy and paste our sticker. And we're going to do this 3 times. So the way we have a total of 4 stickers. Now what you want to do is align those stickers, get them as straight as you can. And when you're doing this, make sure not to cross over the border of this square, because this is actually going to be our cut line. So this is basically your safety area. So anything within this square is safe. It's going to be cut out correctly. So just make sure not to go outside of your square board. Okay, so now I'm going to select all 4 stickers. I'm going to go up here to align and distribute horizontally. So what that is just an extra precaution to make sure that the stickers are as straight as possible. Also, when you're aligning those stickers, make sure that the stickers are not touching individually, because when it prints, it'll print it out as one large sticker. So I'm going to go and select all 4 stickers. And this time we're going to group them. So the way now they're all one image. So if we need to move them, we can move them all as a group. Okay, now we're going to copy and paste this group. We're going to do it twice. And I'll show you why here in a second. Okay. So now we have a total of 8 stickers on this page, which for a sticker sheet, I mean, it's awesome. You know, that's a pretty good size number to print out and cut at one time. But what we're going to do is add one more row of stickers, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So we're going to select this third group of stickers. And what we're going to do is come up here to rotate. We're going to rotate it 180 degrees. So now it's upside down. Now we can fit that third row in between the 2 rows that we had originally. So we went from 8 stickers to 12 stickers. So we just gained 4 extra stickers. All right. So now I'm going to select that square in the background and delete it because we're done with it. We're going to select all the stickers, and now we're going to make it one large group. So now they all move together. Now, as you can see here on the side in the layers pane, it shows the group, but then it also shows each individual sticker. So what we're going to do now is flatten it. So the way the sticker sheet is now one page. All right, so now we're ready to print and cut. Okay, this is going to be our next window, the preview window. And as you can see here, all of our stickers fit comfortably on the one page, and this is 8.5 by 11. The black square that you see around those stickers is basically similar to what we created in the design space. This is going to be for your register mark. So your Cricut machine needs these marks in order to read what it is that you're trying to print and cut to make sure that it's cut out correctly. So it's going to leave room for those, but we make an allowance for that room when we create that square that's 6.75 by 9.25. to make sure that you have all of the area that you need to work with. Okay, now we're ready to print and cut. All right, now we're gonna select send to printer. We're gonna turn off add bleed and turn on use system dialog. And here you're gonna select whatever printer you're going to be using for this print. Next, you should be populated with a menu for your specific printer, and you're going to select photo glossy paper or best quality. This is the best way to print out your stickers to make sure that they really have that added shine with the glossy paper. Okay guys, so now I have my print. And what we're gonna do now is go ahead and lay the laminate sticker paper on top of our sticker sheet. Okay, let me set this to the side. We're gonna grab our laminate paper and an X-Acto knife, and I actually have cutting marks here on my cutting mat that line up with the sticker sheet. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay these out and try to line them up with those marks. I'm gonna use my ruler to go ahead and cut a straight line down. Now, if anyone knows of any laminate sticker paper that's already pre-cut, please let me know in the comments below. But for now, this is my process. So this is how I cut out my laminate paper. We're gonna cut across the bottom. All right, so now we're ready to take that laminate paper. And what I like to do is actually fold down the top just a tad of the laminate sticker paper, just so the way I can stick it across the top. Okay, so I'm gonna peel from the edge. And again, I'm gonna peel it down just enough to where I can fold it over and lay it on top of the sticker paper. All right, so you wanna line it up as close as you can to that register mark. Sometimes with Cricut, you can have issues with it not reading the register mark correctly because it is covered, so to speak. So I try to get it right to the line. And we're gonna take our squeegee and smooth out the top before we roll it down the entirety of the paper. Okay, so I like to take my ruler, line it up, then we're gonna flip the page back, pull it down just enough, and then we're gonna use our ruler to slide down the page. It helps us to have a more even coverage, no bubbles or anything like that. And then we're gonna take our squeegee and go back over it to make sure that it's nice and flat. All right, so now that we got it all smoothed out, we're ready to take it to the Cricut. Okay, so now after we've printed, we're gonna go ahead and select our materials that we're gonna be using. As you can see here, I have 2 gray boxes and they're labeled My Materials. And this is actually a custom material selection, and I'm gonna show you how I do that. So click Browse All Materials, and then we're gonna go all the way to the bottom and select Material Settings. Here you would add a new material. And again, I've labeled mine laminate sticker paper. So I'm gonna click on that, and I'm gonna show you the settings that I use for this particular paper. So we have a cutting pressure of 200, and we have the cutting times to ×2, meaning that it'll go around and cut the stickers twice. And we're gonna select the fine point blade as the blade that we're gonna be using to cut. And here you would save that material and then scroll all the way to the bottom and select Done. And hit yes. So now we have our new material loaded to our Cricut machine. You can select it from your base material options. Okay, and you're gonna change your pressure from default to more. And now we can go ahead and cut it out. Okay, so now we're ready to remove our sticker sheet from the cutting mat. And when I'm doing this, I like to pull from the corner and hold down that very first sticker as I'm pulling the sheet away. And with this, you want to be very careful. Just take your time and make sure we can get all of our stickers, the excess paper, safely off, and that we don't have any accidents, that nothing rips. So you just want to take your time with this. Okay, now I'm going to use my weeding tool to gently lift the sticker off the mat. And here we have our finished product. I hope you like this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video and hit the notification bell. Thanks so much for watching.